Hey guys, what's up? This is the Eric Coach. I'm bringing you some more Super Smash Bros. Brawl gameplay. Again, I'm using Wolf, but this time I'm going against two Ganondorfs. I have nobody on my team, so this was very difficult gameplay to get, and you don't know how many times it took me just to get this. I first went from 3 stocks, and that means basically 3 lives, until 1. So this is only 1 life for each one. It's kind of embarrassing for the Ganondorfs to lose to a wolf, basically, cause this guy's very hard to use unless you know how to actually use him. So in this gameplay, the most damage I think I get is up to around 130 or something, something near that. And so yeah, basically today this is one of the gameplay I'm gonna get you. I got a couple of other things in my vault, and they're very good. So it just turned into one that I did a meteor smash. So that was very cool how I got them all like that. So if you guys like the video, subscribe, favorite, and like it. So to help me grow my channel. So peace out, guys.